Do you have a space in your home that's driving you crazy? Well, this is mine. Stay tuned for a quick organizing fix that is for the win. All right, welcome to my son's bathroom. He's a teenager, typical teenager, with all these items strewn across the top of the sink. The towels thrown over the rod, and we got the bath towel over the shower door. But what's really driving me crazy in this space is what's going on below the sink. So let's start over here in this drawer. This is his dental drawer. We have the floss, and the flosser's right there. We have a toothbrush here, but of course his toothbrush and toothpaste are up there. But below this little tray, we have a treasure trove of items, toys and things he used to play with when he was 3 years old, things we just got to get out of here. And then in the drawer below is his sunscreen drawer and things that he might have worn for camp for years ago, some hair color spray from Halloween, 5th grade, things that we just have not used in ages, definitely can be edited out of there. But the space that's making me craziest is the under sink cabinet. There is so much going on in here, and there is so much in here. I am a professional organizer, and I have to say, I am guilty of this. This is what's called when life gets in the way. You come home with product, you go, oh, just go put it in the shower bathroom. We'll just shove it underneath the sink. And that's what happens. We shove and shove until there's no more space. I'm gonna show you, and now in just a few minutes, we're gonna take everything out, edit it, put in some organizers, and make this space functional and organized. It's our organizing fix today, so stay tuned. Inspired you to think about those spaces in your home that could use a little editing and maybe some bins like these, because a little organizing goes a very long way to making your home feel organized and making you feel so much better. I hope you've liked this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.